Morning, guys. Back out here in Dallas today. Got A270, not my 270, but A270. An excavator here. We're gonna start getting this brick piled up, ready to be hauled out of here. I broke up all that concrete yesterday, so I'm gonna get all that piled up, ready for it to be hauled out of here. Basically, just get everything cleaned up and workable, so we can get this stuff moved out of here efficiently. So yeah, that's the plan for today. A little bit of skid steer, a little bit of excavator. Y'all stick around, watch the show. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap on today. Didn't get to spend a lot of time out here today. Dump trucks can't be here till Monday to start hauling this rubble off, so let me turn you around and show you what I got for today. So all the garage concrete's gone. I still have this one beam here. I left that just because my dumpster is in the way. I've got this area of flat concrete and the driveway, but that takes no time to bust up. All the patio, all that area is gone. All the beam all the way around the house. You can see the big pile of rubble there in the middle. All the concrete's busted out of that. And there's a gigantic pile of rock or brick here. And then I still got that pile of wood over there that I'm gonna throw in that dumpster. But we'll be back out here on Monday. We should we'll be real close on Monday. It may roll into Tuesday just because we've got where we dump the brick is about 30 minutes from here. So it's gonna take a little bit of time to get that brick out of here. But, you know, it is what it is. So that's what we got. We will see you Monday. Peace.